Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this amazing recipe. It's fish cooked in the oven. It's delicious and it's easy to make. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, let's do the marinade. In a bowl, pour about 1/4 of salt, 1 tablespoon of coriander, and 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika. Then, let's add some pepper. Now, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And let's mix it. Let's prepare the fish. Let's cut it in half and take out the insides. Let's take out the spine and the fish is ready. And take out the fins and tail. Now let's cut it into half slices. And cut it in the other side too. Now a baking pan with some vegetable oil. Let's spread it, and now let's add the fish. First the fish, next the other fish, and let's rotate the slices. Then let's add the marinade on top. And send it to the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. When it's all ready, let's plate it and enjoy it. It's easy to make, delicious, and very pretty. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.